I come back to Podkowa Leśna, which is amazing place. It's my grandfather was one of the founders of this place 100 years ago, and it was a place who in a forest. It's a town in a forest, and it was built by businessmen and artists, main artists in Poland, and so I grew up in some amazing place, in a forest. And here we had always vacation, like 3 months or even 4 months sometimes in Suwalszczyzna region. So I live completely outside Warsaw and these lines for a meat or something like this, for some food, because my grandfather, he was completely against communism, but he had some deal with the communist people, so he was very rich, but we never used this money for us. We always share. My grandmother, especially, she share for with everything. Like food. We always had some people. At our very big house. Like a dworek. It's not castle, but
Palace.
yes, like a palace. Yes. We had because during the communist time, when you had too much money, you have to hiding this money. But so mostly my grandfather, he bought a lot of antiques, and so I grew up with a lot of antiques. Like we had one room was completely only for antiques. Nobody lives there, so art deco, and everything was there. Everything had some flavor of war, sometimes, but as I told you, it was never like we never talk about this, but we had a lot of friends who was victim of war, like my far aunt was she had the children, and the bomb exploded beside her, and she had the children on her hands, like that, and the children die, and she always had she was until the end of the life she was alone, and she had something like this, that sometimes she made something like that and crying, and for a while, and we growing with this, because this is Poland, it's not that one nation had some tragedy, like my grandfather was in a concentration camp, my grandmother was in Boże Powstanie Warszawskie.
Warsaw Uprising.
Yes, Warsaw Uprising. She had a lot of scars, like, and amazing thing in my life, that in my school I had a teacher, and she was she lost everybody from her family during the war, and she was completely against Germans, and I remember I had maybe 10 years, something like that, and she was a teacher of history, and she was very angry for us, and something something weird happened during the lessons, and she asked us something like, you are Polish? Yes. You are Polish? Yes. Something like, and I was completely against everything from from the beginning. So she asked me, and I told her that I'm a German, and she was but I didn't know about this, about her story. And she took me outside the class, and she told me that you even don't know who you are, something like that. And after many years, my mother told me that she and this second grandmother, she helped my grandmother, this second grandmother, survived my father. So it's amazing. So everything was by accident, but and she lived, and I want to go to her, but she's very old. She's, I think, 100 something. So Yes, and generally the Podkowa Leśna, it was amazing place, with the forests and we always our main play was a war, wartime. We killing Germans all the time, and we built, base from like underground. And after the snow, we had some igloo, and we always um, shouting to the Germans, all the time, So this is, but it's typical in Poland, everybody playing like that. So, mm, and I remember play about ghetto, that we are, but I don't know how, but we made some uprising in a ghetto as a children, but I never heard about this ghetto uprising, but we had some idea,